I was a young man, I carried me pack, and I lived the free life of a rover. From Mary's green basin to the dusty outback, I waltzed my Matilda all over. Then in 1915, my country said, son, it's time to stop rambling, there's work to be done. So they gave me a tin hat and they gave me a gun, and they sent me away to the war. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as the ship sailed away from the quay. And amid all the tears, flags waving and cheers, we set sail for Gallipoli. How well I remember that terrible day when the blood stained the sand and the water, and how in that hell that they called Suvla Bay, we were butchered like lambs to the slaughter. Johnny Turk, he was ready, he primed himself well. He rained us with bullets and he showered us with shell. And in 5 minutes flat, we were all blown to hell. They nearly blew us back home to Australia. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as we stopped to bury our slain. And we buried ours, and the Turks buried theirs. Then it started all over again. Oh, those that were living just tried to survive in that mad world of blood, death and fire. And for 10 weary weeks I kept myself alive, while the corpses around me piled higher. Then a big Turkish shell knocked me arse overhead, and when I awoke in my hospital bed and saw what was done, I wished I was dead. Never knew there were worse things than dying. Oh, no more I'll go waltzing Matilda all around the green bush far and near. For to hump tent and pegs, a man needs both legs. No more waltzing Matilda for me. They collected the wounded, the crippled, the maimed, and they shipped us back home to Australia. The armless, the legless, the blind and insane, all those proud wounded soldiers of Suvla. And when the ship pulled into Circular Quay, I looked at the place where my legs used to be. Thank Christ there was no one waiting for me to grieve and to mourn and to pity. And the band played Waltzing Matilda, as they carried us down the gangway, and nobody cheered, they just stood there and stared. Then they turned all their faces away. Now every April I sit on my porch and I watch the parade pass before me. I see my old comrades, how proudly they march, renewing their dreams of past glories. I see the old men, all tired, stiff and torn, those weary old heroes of a forgotten war. And the young people ask, what are they marching for? And I ask myself the same question. And the band plays Waltzing Matilda, and the old men still answer the call. But year after year, the numbers get fewer, and soon there'll be no one at all. Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, who'll come a waltzing Matilda with me, as the ghosts may be heard and they march by their billabong. Who